Hello, this is Wilson from Airsoft, and here to bring you our new release GBB. This is interesting stuff. Like we have a GBB with Marui system, like NWS gas system. Like we invent the magazine and also the chamber with better grouping. So you will have the better recoil performance and also the 40% up the air grouping style. So now I'm going to practice for you and see how it works. Okay. Right. Okay. So now you will see like you can refill the gas and still shoot while playing with the gas. So we are going to release this in next Q2 2025. So you can 2024. So you can like keep an eye on us for our new system release. And firstly for GBB rifle, we will have our we will release AR system first, and you can choose short type of rail and long type of rail. Okay, thank you very much.